Ever wondered how businesses make informed decisions? The answer lies in data interpretation. So, what exactly is data interpretation? Simply put, it's the process of reviewing, analyzing, and understanding data to draw meaningful conclusions. It's a little bit like deciphering a secret code. Why is it so crucial for businesses? Well, in today's data-driven world, it's a powerful tool that can make or break a business's success. It helps businesses make informed decisions, strategize effectively, and achieve their goals. Think of it as the guiding light that illuminates the path to success. Without proper data interpretation, businesses may miss out on valuable insights and opportunities. It's like trying to navigate a maze in the dark. You might get lucky and find your way out, but chances are you'll end up lost or going in circles. Now that we understand the importance of data interpretation, let's delve into how it works. The process of interpreting data might seem complex, but it can be broken down into simple steps. Let's dive into those steps now. Firstly, we have data collection. This is the initial stage where we gather relevant information from various sources, be it customer feedback, surveys, or sales reports. Remember, the quality of your input determines the quality of your output, so it's crucial to collect data that's accurate and pertinent to your business. Next, we move on to data cleaning. This step involves filtering the collected data to remove any inaccuracies, duplications, or irrelevant information. This ensures that the data we analyze is reliable and valid, giving us a clear view of the situation at hand. Once the data is cleaned, we proceed to data analysis. Here, we scrutinize the data using statistical tools and methods to derive meaningful insights. This step helps us identify trends, patterns, and correlations that can inform our business decisions. Finally, we reach data visualization. This is where we present our findings in a visually appealing and easily understandable format, such as graphs, charts, or infographics. Visualizing the data not only makes it digestible, but also helps communicate the insights effectively to the team or stakeholders. Each of these steps, when done correctly, contributes to a comprehensive understanding of the data, enabling us to make informed, data-driven decisions. Now that you know how the process works, you might be wondering what the key points to remember are. There are a few key points to keep in mind when interpreting data. First, ensure the accuracy of your data collection, as your findings are only as sound as your raw material. Second, don't overlook the importance of thorough data cleaning. This step can often make or break the validity of your conclusions. Third, engage in detailed data analysis, and finally, make your findings clear through effective data visualization. Each step is integral. None should be skipped. So remember, interpreting data is not just about numbers. It's about making those numbers tell a story that can guide your business decisions.